In Kerbal Space Program, testing a decoupler is a good way to gain funding. Each mission is unique, so read the requirements carefully. Here we need to be in orbit at high altitude. Install a test decoupler that will only be used for testing. Install an additional tank on the top stage to allow for going to high altitude. Next, press T to turn on the stabilizing system, Z for the throttle, and spacebar to take off. Execute sideways nudges to perform a gradual gravity turn. Continue until the apoapsis of your orbit is well above the test requirements. Collect science data at high altitude. Press spacebar to test the decoupler when you are at the correct altitude. Fire retrograde at the highest point in orbit to return to Kerbin.